what? The standard form of an MPP. Then we need to implement this in a simplex table. So let me write the values in the simplex table. B is A1 and A2. These are the artificial variables. Followed by what is the coefficient of A1 is minus m. Coefficient of A2 is also minus m. Fine. So what is XB? XB is 6 and 7. Here it is 6 and 7. Fine. Next. Sorry, not 6 and 7. It is 100 and 120. It is 100 and 120. Fine. X1 is 6, 7, 8, 12. Fine. Minus 1, 0. Followed by 0, minus 1, it is 1, 0, 0, 1. So all the values are substituted according to this standard MPP. So now we need to find what is Zj. So Zj is nothing but, it is nothing but minus 120 m plus 100 m. Let me write here. It is 120 m minus 100 m. So answer is how much? It is 220 m. So minus 220 m. Next one is minus 7 m, then minus 6 m. That is minus 13 m. Then next one is 12 m minus 12 m minus 8 m. That is minus 20 m. That is minus 20 m. Followed by m into 0 is 0. That is plus m. Minus 1 into minus m is plus m. The same thing is with this plus m. So this is minus m. And this is also minus m. Fine. So let me rub this one. So now we got Zj. Then we need to find Zj minus Cj. So what is Zj minus Cj? That is this minus this. So minus 13m. It is minus 13m plus 12 it is. Then it is minus 20m plus 20 it is. Then it is m. It is also m. So minus m plus m is 0. This is also 0. Fine. So simplex table is finished. So now we need to find the most negative value among the Zj minus Cj by looking into this 20. So this is 30 minus 13m, but it is minus 20m. So this is the most negative value. So this will enter the basis. So now it is xb upon x2 here. So that is what? xb upon x2. So it is 100 upon 8. Then it is 120 upon 12. So what is the value here? It is 12.5. Then followed by it is 10. So which is the minimum value here? This is the minimum value. And the intersection of this is called as key element. This is key column and this is key row. Then key element is how much? 12. Key element is how much? 12. Fine. So what happened here? This is the first simplex table. Then we need to go for the next simplex table. That is again I will draw CB, B, ಪ್ರಮೋದ್ ಸರ್ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬನ್ನಿ. Welcome back, students. This is the continuation of the problem here. This is the first simplex table. Now it is a second simplex table. So here x2 enters the basis and A2 leaves the basis. Fine. A2 leaves the basis. Key column is 12. So let me write the values here. So here what happens here? A1 whereas x2. So A2 leaves the basis, x1 enters the basis. The coefficient of A1 is minus m and coefficient of x2 is minus 20. Fine. And the key column that is 12 is 1, this is 0, and it is 120 by 12. How much it is? This is 10 followed by 7 by 12. Then 1, this is 0, minus 1 upon 12, 0, 1 upon 12. We need to find the values, these values. Fine. As we have seen in the simplex table note, if an artificial variable leaves the basis, we need to remove it from the column. We need to remove it from the column. So I will remove A2 from the column. So the reason why I have written is to show you why we need to remove it. As artificial variable leaves the basis, we need to remove it from its column. And the values of these are, that is 20 followed by 4 by 3, then followed by 0, minus 1, then it is 2 by 3, it is 0, minus 1, 2 by 3, then it is A1 is 1. Fine. So as we have found the values of these, so we need to calculate Zj, then Zj minus Cj. So here it is 200 minus 20 m. Next one is 140 divided by 12 minus 4m divided by 3 it is, that is 20, then it is m followed by minus 20 divided by 12 minus 2m upon 3, then it is minus m. Fine. So Zj minus Cj will be like this, minus 4m upon 3 minus 1 by 3. Fine. Next one is 0, this is m, then this is 20 divided by 12 minus 2m divided by 6. So we need to find the most negative among this. So this will be the most negative. So this is nothing but fine. So this is 20 by 4 by 3, that is equal to 15. Next one is 10 divided by 30. This is 120 divided by 7. So this is what the most minimum. So we got key column and key row, and the key element is sorry, small mistake here. This is what 20 divided by 4 by 3, it is 15, and it is 10 divided by 7 by 3, it is 120 divided by 7. So this is what minimum value, and this is and this is what? Key element. Fine? Key element.